You're about to improve your voice, and as a result, probably your whole life. It's a subject we're not taught about in school, yet it's an incredibly important subject. Learning to master the human voice, the most important communications tool that we humans possess, can make enormous differences into our success in life and our confidence in work, wealth, friends, and love.
Are you wanting to make a good impression on people, to show authority at work maybe, or to get on better with people and enjoy life more? Unfortunately, it's hardwired into the human psyche to make judgments on people when you first meet them or hear them on the video. We all do it. We make strong assumptions about people after first hearing them speak, as us humans just love to pigeonhole people into categories.
Oh yes, after your appearance, it's your voice that you will get judged on. But are you almost ashamed of it? Would you like your voice to be improved, to be clearer, more attractive, more resonant, or simply louder? This course is perfect for you. We have 70 proven interactive exercises where we'll cover all the bases: improving breathing, improving resonance, improving vocal power, improving clarity and articulation, and also understanding emphasis and voice emotion, as well as finding your natural voice. Follow our easy-to-follow exercises and you'll see results fast. Plus, the course has 3 downloadable resources that will help consolidate your training. Imagine a new you with a new voice that can attract, inspire, enthuse, and have a vocal clarity and richness that you could even monetize into a lucrative voiceover or voice acting career, like us who've used our voices professionally for many years. You'll improve your voice in 3 simple steps. 1. Take this course. 2. Follow easy-to-follow exercises. And 3. Practice the steps in your everyday life. You'll understand how your voice is created and how to overcome bad habits you may have got into over the years to release your inner voice. If you use your voice for a living, as a trainer, tour guide, or on customer service, we'll give you warm-up routines to prevent voice strain, and you'll get many tips for presenting to people, either indoors or outdoors, where you may be fighting against background noise. And we'll also tell you about various gadgets that are around that may be able to help you with improving your voice further.
Don't think that all our speaking voices are just built in with the body that we've been given. There are plenty of safe, easy, effective ways to get rid of poor vocal habits built up over the years and tone up vocal characteristics to an often astonishing effect.
I'm Peter Baker, a professional voiceover and presenter, and even at my age I'm still doing exercises to enhance my voice. But even if you don't use your voice to make a good income as a voice actor or YouTube presenter or podcaster or other type of influencer, it's still important to improve your voice to help boost confidence and success in life.
Here at VoiceOver Masterclass, we're so proud of this course as it has so much packed into it, and we know a lot of people will really benefit from the information and exercises we'll offer you. But that's not all. There are special bonus sections in the course that deal with using your voice in the real world, with some really worthwhile tips, tricks and hacks, including speaking to audiences large and small, using microphones when presenting, the essential quick voice warm-up routine, plus a section on vocal care and mouth hygiene that will help you look after your voice the whole of your life.
So let's dive in and give you a brief tour around the miracle of the human voice, and let's get to work on improving your voice, your confidence, and your life.